Recently, I read a lot of posts talking about, oregano oil and what is the difference with the oil of oregano and how do you use them. So these are very common questions, especially for those herb users. And how do you extract the herbs and how do you use the extracts in different ways? In this video, I will go through, talk about some basic knowledge about how to extract herbs and what makes the difference between these two, oil of oregano and oregano oil. Hey, welcome back. This is Dr. Leo at LeTime. So before we go deep into the difference between oregano oil and oil of oregano, so let's talk about how do we extract herbs. So generally there are two common ways we extract herbs. The first one is called a distillation. That's how we make the hydrosol and essential oil. So when we call essential oil, for example, the lavender essential oil, and a lot of people just simply call them lavender oil. And the same thing for the oregano oil. So oregano oil normally refer to the oregano essential oil. So essential oil is made by distillation. And besides the distillation, the other way to extract herb is infusion. Infusion is like a more popular for especially like a daily use or home use. One of the example is the tea or coffee. So those are the infusion process. We just mix the water, hot water with the herb, the tea leaf or the roasted coffee beans. Then we separate, from the leaf or the coffee bean powder with water, then we can drink those liquid. Those are either called tea or coffee. Infusion is a process of a liquid solution process. So if you use water, then you get a tea. If you use alcohol, you got a tincture. If you use oil, you got an infused oil. Probably a lot of people familiar with rosemary infused olive oil. So you can use that for your cooking, for your salad dressing. So a lot of things you can use. Italian, the dressing for the salad, they normally use infused oil. But also you can use all kinds of herbs infused oil for skincare, like the rose infused, jojoba oil or lavender infused coconut oil. And oil oregano is the infused oil. That's the oil mixed with oregano from the infusion. That's called oil of oregano. So now we have the difference between the oregano oil and oil of oregano. Common ways we do the herb extraction, the distillation and infusion. Before I go to the detail about what's the difference between the oregano oil and oil oregano, I want to introduce you the LeTime ADI. This is an automatic herb extractor. It has both function of distillation and infusion. So you can make your hydrosol and even essential oil from the high oil content herbs, or you can make your infusion from a tiny batch like 1 ounce to liters of the volume. It's a very convenient, full automation. All you need to do is just select the function, set the time, and let it work. And just come back, collect everything. So what makes the difference between the oregano oil and oil of oregano? The major difference is their chemical composition. So when we talk about the oregano oil, oregano essential oil, so those are made by distillation. So distillation is a steam extraction process, so it can extract those volatile compounds from the herb. That's why we got the hydrosol and essential oil. Volatile compounds are the small molecules. They are very penetratable, and that's why it brings a lot of antibacterial, anti-inflammation, a lot of those benefits. So oregano oil, it's one of the major compounds, and that causes a huge difference with the oil of oregano is carvacrol. Carvacrol, it can take around 50% of the oregano essential oil. Carvacrol has a very strong antimicrobial, antibacterial performance. That's why when we use oregano oil, oregano essential oil, you have to do a very good dilution. Less than 1% is normally recommended, and you don't want to use, very, even beyond 1%, especially directly use on the skin. I don't want to say like dangerous, but you gotta be very cautious. You need to be very cautious because it's so strong, the chemical. When we're making the oil of oregano, that's an infused oregano oil, carvacrol, it can still be extracted because it's good soluble in the oil. But the major difference is because in the oregano, the essential oil only take around 1%, even carvacrol take 50% in the essential oil. So the final concentration of carvacrol in the infused oil or the oil oregano is below 1%. It's way below 1%. So that make a huge difference between the oregano essential oil. Within that, carvacrol take more than 50%. But within the oil oregano or infused oregano oil, carvacrol take around 0.5%. So you can see the difference is 50 and 0.5. It's 100 times difference. So that causes a huge difference when you are using these two different oils. So I hope this short video can help you understand the difference between these two, the terms. It's not like a perfect scientific term, but oregano oil or oregano essential oil compared with oil oregano or infused oregano oil. Okay, so if you have questions, please leave as a comments. Like the video if you feel helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about herbs, how to extract herbs, and how to use them, and become a member. This is Dr. Leo. Thank you. See you next time.